So this is real Italian pasta from Reggio Emilia.
Pasta
Chef
from Reggio Emilia. So
Johnny.
I introduce you to the chef of the Pavilion Reggio Emilia. A lot of love for Gianni. Sorry, the wife here.
Bye.
Hi everybody.
I'm a sweet pea, so we're gonna
Here
get
I am with Gianni.
we're gonna get a real Italian meal cooked here.
So
Live on
Gianni
camera,
is
thanks to
going
Rossella.
Teach us
I'm here
how
with
to
the
cook a
Reggio
brilliant
Emilia
pasta
Farmers
from
Association.
Italy.
Here's the
Hi
president
Gianni,
here.
ciao ciao.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Okay.
Di dove sei?
Roma.
So
Roma.
Gianni is from Roma,
Ma sono 25 anni a Reggio Emilia.
but lives since 25 years in Reggio Emilia. Reggio Emilia, it's in the north of Italy, 2 hours from 1 hour and a half from Milano, close to Bologna. But he's from Roma, you know, and he's a chef.
Ok, facciamo vedere subito la pasta?
Okay, let's watch the pasta. Stanno dicendo di tutto. Hi from Dallas. Gluten-free and quinoa pasta.
This is an inside look at making a real Italian pasta.
Però noi usiamo il mais.
So, yes, there is
We got a periscope going on with Rossella Cavanata. She's an author in Milan. It has her 4th book coming out.
Ok, se vogliamo fare vedere, guarda.
And here we are.
Pasta gluten free.
That's the pasta gluten-free, as you were saying. That's
Okay.
pasta gluten-free. You
Mais
see?
e riso.
Can you see? Yes.
Ok,
But for
i sughi che facciamo si possono usare anche per la pasta gluten free.
so we are doing now
Tomato, let's see.
a dipping. No, come si dice sugo?
Sugo.
What is this made of here? Someone's asking.
It's
What are the
gluten-free.
What are the ingredients?
Mice.
Rice?
Mice.
and rice.
M-A.
This is mais
Oh.
and rice.
See, mice and rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you, Sherry. It's
Okay, so
we
corn
are
and
going
rice,
to do
I
a
think. I think
sauce
mice
today.
is corn.
Prima ricetta,
Yeah. Thanks,
First
Jay.
one.
come una matriciana.
I was like, come on,
a
mice?
Like a matriciana.
No.
Ok?
Small little rodents in
Padella.
rice.
Yes.
Olio extravergine.
Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
Poco.
Little bit, just a little bit.
Cipolla.
So onion. Little bit of onion. Frying. Can you see the sound? Ciao Fabio.
Hello.
Yes, a little bit of onion.
Hi, Mary. So I'm in Milan. We're getting a real Italian
Oh
pasta being
wow,
cooked here by a
matriciana.
real
So we're
Italian.
going to put this one inside.
Pancetta.
Got-
Pancetta. So
We got scopception right there. Pancetta.
pancetta, which is bacon,
Ok.
Bacon.
No,
Bacon,
no,
pork.
no affumicato però.
but
Non
not.
affumicato.
Yes, it's just fresh bacon.
Fresh bacon.
Ok? Uno spicchio d'aglio.
Pancetta is much better. A little bit of onion, little bit, just a small piece of onion.
In camicia.
What is it in camicia?
Garlic.
Con la copertura.
So garlic, but with the skin, not without, right?
Ok?
We call it in camicia.
Più gentile. Come proprio.
Lighter. So the smell is lighter than without the skin. Yes.
Ok? Un bicchiere di vino. Un cucchiaio di vino.
A small,
Wine. Red wine.
yes, a little bit of red wine.
I guess we'll find out at the end.
Red wine. Just a drop of red wine.
Mi dispiace che non
Remember,
posso
if you guys
dire-
like what you're seeing, make sure you like.
He's saying, sorry, they
And
cannot,
share.
smell it.
Oh, it
This is
smells so good
these
right now.
guys. It's a shame they cannot.
I would eat this.
We will. We will.
We're gonna have some.
Yes, just. It's Chianti, il vino è Chianti.
No, questo è Sangiovese, Romagna. Siamo a Reggio Emilia.
We are Reggio Emilia, so it's from the north. You see?
Però è lo stesso vitigno. Questo è Sangiovese romagnolo, Il Chianti è Sangiovese Toscano.
So it's the same wine type, wine
Thank
type
you so much for all the art.
of the Tuscan one.
Debbie, Tiger, you're awesome. Sherry, if you like
Yeah,
what
we
you're
need
seeing, make sure you like
version
it.
of
Make sure you guys
Periscope.
subscribe.
Tomato sauce, fresh tomato sauce.
We got fresh tomato sauce here that you just added
A
in.
little bit of water.
If you guys want some pasta, make sure you give a lot of hearts. We'll send it through Periscope.
Pasta.
No more, just the pasta.
Pasta io per velocizzare ho
Yeah.
prima dato una cottura.
So to do quicker, before he did cook the pasta, just to show you. Yeah, it's fabulous.
Okay.
Not taco.
Is this for me?
No, that's the onion. He took away the onion. Yeah.
The garlic, huh?
Sorry, the garlic.
Pasta è importante. Metà cottura in acqua,
Yes.
metà cottura in padella.
So half of the cooking in here and half of the cooking in the pan.
Okay, so don't cook
You know, with the sauce.
don't cook the pasta in the water the entire
Understand?
time. And let the
Facciamo
sauce
andare?
cook it. Okay.
So you have to cook half
Pochi minuti.
the time of the pasta in hot water, boiling water, and half in the pan, right?
Parmigiano.
Not Parmesan, Parmigiano.
Parmesan.
Yes, not Parmesan.
Oh, okay.
Because this is original.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
This comes from your area.
Yeah, yes, it's Reggio Emilia area where you have the Parmigiano Reggiano original, not Parmesan, that none is original like this.
Problem, come here to Expo. We will feed you. Hello from Frankfurt.
We'll do a heart party. If you guys give enough hearts, we'll fly out to the expo. So you try some of this pasta.
Yeah.
You got to fly out tonight,
You
though.
have to do it, sharing.
Ok, parmigiano grattugiato,
So now he's
grande,
yes.
ok?
Okay,
Oh,
so he's grattugiare, come si dice? The cheese. So this
I knew
is
you guys would fall
Parmesan
for that
with,
trick.
So the Parmesan,
Not
that is
Parmigiano, not Parmesan.
Parmigiano, which is not American Parmesan, coming from cows. The milk is from the north of Italy, red cow.
Ok?
It's a special type of cow.
Special type.
Yeah, it's a special type of cow. It's not Parmesan. In the States, everyone calls the Parmesan
Could I
cow.
try- could I try it?
This one
This is a little
it's really different from red
Let's
cow.
try it here. Okay.
Parmigiano Reggiano, brava, brava, brava. Sherry.
Wow.
Posso
Wow, that's
dirlo?
amazing.
Due
The
piatti.
red cow.
So much better than
you
Parmesan.
know, it's a special, particular
Italian food
cow.
is delicious.
This is from the north.
I don't think there's
Just
anything
the
better
region
than
and the cow
authentic
eats
Italian food in Italy.
the grass from that region. Rated, yes, thank you.
Ok?
No, Parmesan in
Princess
the States is
pasta,
disgusting.
pizza, it
No,
tastes
no, you're
amazing.
right.
I'm going to try some of this now.
And not processed in a can. You are right. This is, delicious. That's the pasta.
Pizza Princess.
Wow. So we,
Hey, thank you very
You know.
much. Sherry, how
Yeah.
are you today?
guys,
Got
now
any
you
big
have
plans
to
this
come
weekend?
and taste it. Yeah.
Oh, dalla faccia si deve vedere.
Allora
Ok.
è semplicissima.
So he say it's very simple,
Very simple.
No problem.
Pochi minuti.
I wish
3
Kristy
minutes
could
and
make
you have
something
this
this
pasta.
delicious.
So,
Okay, listen.
just a recap. Un breve.
You go ahead and lick your phone. I mean, it might taste like your hands, but you know.
Padella,
Pan,
olio,
oil,
cipolla.
onion.
Cuociamo con un pochino di acqua.
So first you cook in boiling
Wow.
water the pasta.
Poi pancetta.
Then in the pan you put
I don't normally
pancetta,
film myself
which is
eating,
bacon,
but
better bacon.
Ok? Poi
this is
un
amazing.
cucchiaio di vino rosso.
Some white wine, just a drop of red wine.
Ok? Poi dopo un pomodoro. Salsa.
It's amazing. This is the best pasta I've ever
Basta,
had.
metà cottura in acqua.
Because I think it's so fresh. I mean, it's like right here in the kitchen. This is how I have to eat all the time. I'll just say, excuse me, can the chef just serve me right in the kitchen? Because I want the freshest
Parmigiano
pasta.
reggiano come se più.
And then Parmigiano Reggiano cheese a lot, like raining. The rain
Hey guys,
part.
thanks for joining.
But how long is the cooking? Quanto dura la cottura?
Abbiamo fatto 4 minuti in acqua prima e 3 minuti in padella. La cottura della salsa?
Sì.
La cottura della salsa se abbiamo una salsa di pomodoro già cotta,
Yeah.
ok?
Yeah.
Queste pochi minuti, il tempo
Ok.
di cuocerla in padella.
So the cooking, first you do this red sauce.
Did it cut out there,
If
guys?
you have this,
How's the stream?
you need just 5 minutes to prepare the
Yeah.
sauce. It's not a long process.
This is
But
really
if you have
delicious.
this done.
She's missing out. I'm
Questa è la
just
cottura più
I'm
lunga.
gonna dig in.
Questi pomodori hanno cotto in olio e cipolla.
So he did the sauce with this tomato and onion and oil
5
for
minuti.
5 minutes. So you do this before.
Ok, l'importante, pomodoro buono, olio extravergine di oliva,
So it's very important to have, fresh, good tomato, olive oil, and stop. Okay.
Okay.
That's the recipe. Very, very easy.
Very
not
easy, yeah.
expensive at all because you have just pasta, olive oil, tomato, and a little bit of bacon.
like a matriciana.
It's like a matriciana, but it's not. It's a little bit. It's like
I'm eating it all. I mean, you have some.
I'm here with my friend Josh of the Digital Family, and he's trying. Yes. And
Digital Nomad, yeah.
Se poi vorranno seguire e vedere, noi stiamo per allestire un, diciamo così, sul sito i coldiretti.
Okay. So Vito says, if you want to see the recipes and everything, you go on the Coldiretti website.
Next month.
Next month is going to be raining with all the recipes, Italian recipes. Yes.
Perfect.
So this is the dish of pasta, guys.
Oh, it's amazing. I had no idea I'd be here today.
You
so
know, Josh
she just-
now has the tough job to eat the pasta with
are
us.
you not eating
you
it?
know, it's a tough job, but somebody has to.
We do the scopeception again? We do that.
Ringraziamo il chef.
Facciamo
Scope section.
un'altra
Inception
senza
with
pomodoro.
Periscope.
Okay.
Veloce,
So
veloce.
the chef now is really energetic, so he's preparing another pasta if you want to see.
Okay, well, we got one more.
Yes.
More
Very
pasta
quick,
going.
another pasta.
Ok?
Butter.
Oh, butter this time.
Little bit of butter. What kind of pasta is it?
No, usiamo la stessa pasta per velocità. Questa va bene con una pasta corta.
So this is for a short kind of pasta, like
Penna,
penne.
rigatone, mezza manica.
Yes. Short kind of pasta, yes.
Okay.
Little bit of butter.
Burro, zucca.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Ok?
Pumpkin, yeah.
Che abbiamo prima scottato sempre in olio e cipolla.
So before you boil the pumpkin with oil and onion, and then you put it in here.
Ok?
Cheryl, you did a great periscope with pumpkin yesterday. So that's your recipe dedicated to Cheryl.
Un cucchiaio di crema di latte.
Not you think Pizza Princess, another sherry.
Some crema di latte.
Sì.
Milk cream. This is milk cream.
What is it?
Milk cream.
Okay, meat cream.
Milk cream. Milk. Milk.
Milk.
Milk.
Okay.
Milk cream. You put milk cream, pumpkin, a little bit of
Pochi minuti.
just a
Perdonate.
few minutes,
Serve
half an hour. Yes.
Okay, some parsley.
Prezzemolo.
Yes, parsley.
He's watching it cut it out.
Ok?
Thank you for the
Ok, pasta.
pasta. The smell of parsley, I love it.
It smells so good.
Yes. Yes. I can't share it.
E ora parmigiano.
Sherry, thank you for all your hearts
And
and
of
love.
course another Parmesan
You're going to
brain.
get us to 200,000.
Parmesan brain.
Questa volta sottile.
This time, not not a big cut, not like this. You see, this is huge. cut in a very big way.
But
And
this
this is
Parmigiano, not Parmesan. It's
Parmigiano.
Parmigiano.
not Parmesan.
No, we don't call it Parmesan. I know all the people here from Coldiretti, they say...
It's not Parmesan, it's Parmigiano.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
It's from
It's from this region.
yeah,
From
region?
this region.
Yeah.
Reggio Emilia.
Reggio
Date un
Emilia.
altro
So it's a special type of cheese,
So it's
only from that area.
very, very tiny.
Don't
tiny
confuse
way.
it Parmesan. They
You see
will
the
take your hand
difference?
off.
This is huge. And this is very No, it's all not in a green can. No, no. Here the pasta with the pumpkins. Fine, right? Thank you.
Ok. La crema di latte e il parmigiano.
So the milk cream and the parmesan together mashed, and so it's like an incredible sauce.
Or are you going to eat this time? Here, I'll hold your phone. You have a bite, okay?
Abbiamo del pepe?
You have a bite. I'll film you eating.
Okay.
Tutte e due devono assaggiare. Rosse, vai.
They're good.
It's delicious.
Quindi 5 minuti si è fatto tutto.
Also this one though. I didn't try it before, sorry.
Oh, I know. I was going to eat it all.
Va bene?
Which one I prefer? I'm not sure. I have to try more.
Però siamo riusciti in pochi minuti
Okay.
a fare un piatto bello e soprattutto italiano.
Very good. I don't know, I like both. Which one do
Quindi
you
questo
prefer?
è l'opposto del junk food. Quindi
Okay,
si
I'm
può
gonna
essere
try now.
veloci.
Tito is saying this is the opposite of junk food. You can
Opposite
eat
of-
well
oh, good.
very simply, you know,
Pumpkin.
with a small effort and short time.
This is
Yeah.
So creamy.
Yes.
Flavors.
With garlic is so good. Yes, like a.
It's amazing.
fish. All the
It's a
fish,
pumpkin,
yes.
parsley.
Like that. Stanno facendo gli sushi.
State venuti guarda.
All three, you mean sharing us or? Yes, another one is dry.
It is delicious.
Amici, stanno mangiando il telefono.
Buona?
Very good.
I know, it's, you know, perché loro hanno.
I don't know what I'm
facendo
going to be
vedere
able to
sta
eat next, so
cosa.
I'm going to eat
L'hanno
up.
fatto.
Invitiamoli alla nostra bottega.
Se vengono a Reggio Emilia noi tra mezz'ora gliela prepariamo.
Dicono mandacene un po' in California. Send me a little bit to Cali.
We're going to send it to you from
Yes,
Italy
why
here.
not?
Okay?
Venite a Reggio Emilia alla bottega.
Thank you, Pizza Princess, for joining again.
Say it in English.
Thanks for sharing.
Come to Reggio
Remember, guys, if you like this, make sure you tap the screen and also slide up or over and share it.
Don't
slide down.
They say.
Oh,
They are inviting
I
you
like them
guys.
both. They both have different distinct flavors. So I'm going to split this in half, and I think we're going to share it right after we're done with the Periscope. You're getting kicked off. That's weird. I have full bars here. Is the stream coming through pretty clear? Jay, are you here, Jay?
Vieni a Reggio Emilia.
It's glitchy.
No, dillo in italiano.
Vieni in Italia, vieni in Italia, vieni a
Okay,
visitare
so
Reggio
there you
Emilia,
go.
vieni a-
Not on my end. Okay.
Spagna Emilia, bottega italiana, in diretta.
I think we're about to go.
The
Thank
guys,
you
they are
guys so much.
inviting you to come here and they will feed you with all this pasta and yeah, delicious food.
Perfect. Okay. I'm going to split this.
So
for
the
you.
chef is here and guys,
You
please,
should teleport.
please tell something just before the pause. Say
Here, you guys.
to the chef. He did these amazing two recipes for us. So thank you, chef.
Grazie a voi.
Thank you, grazie.
No, Cracco non poteva venire, ha mandato me.
No, Cracco is okay.
Siamo superiori a Cracco.
Ma gli americani non sanno neanche chi è Cracco.
Hai visto?
È italiano. Grazie, chef.
Grazie a voi.
So
Hi,
do you
guys,
have
say
a
thank you to the
website?
chef for allowing us to film.
Elisa.it.
So if you want to know his recipes, it's can you write?
Okay.
Lo puoi scrivere così lo faccio vedere. I'll show you because it's a little bit difficult in.
Oh, he's going to show us the recipe.
Check that out.
Io l'ho conosciuto a.
While they're distracted, I'm going to split this up.
Non cucina, cioè ormai non fa niente più lui, fanno gli altri. So, are they in English too? Sono anche in inglese le ricette, tutto in italiano.
Allora, ricette che metteremo sul sito di Campagna Amica le faremo in inglese.
Campagna Amica
So, metti anche Campagna Amica. So they are translating everything, guys, because sometimes we are talking with farmers and real people that work with their hands. They do the product, they are farmers, and so they are creating, the website. It's very new. Yes, dicono che potete iniziare a usare Google
So
Translate per le ricette.
P-O-D-E-T-T,
That's the website.
.it.
Campagna.
No. This delicious food. I'm gonna eat it in 3 seconds. Thank you.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, here, screenshot one more time.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Screenshot. Thank you. Yes, they did it. Thank you. Yes.
Would you mind sharing that on Twitter for me?
Yes, Italy. IT. Yes. Thank
Okay.
you. So, mettetemi insieme che facciamo una foto. Okay, so I just go all together with the
okay.
Screenshot everybody. With these amazing people. Which is easier.
Okay. Bye. Ciao. Bye.
Sorry.
We hope we see in Reggio Emilia, Italy. Okay.
See you in
we
Reggio
are waiting
Emilia. Yeah, thank
we are
you
waiting
guys.
you.
Thank you for the love. Thank you. Hi. Ciao belli. Ciao.
Thanks for joining us.
Yes, thank you for joining us. We love you. So
Pizza
remember,
Princess Jay,
they will send
Kimberly,
you all the
thank you for
products
being here.
and you and friends in
Sweet
Italy.
Tea.
Now you know.
Thanks for all your love and your
Remember to
hearts.
share always, guys.
And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
Because I wanted, to hearts, but